Hey Little Monsters, so I wanted to share what I meal prep for this week. To start off, I'm just going to show you some snacks and breakfast options. I have my Systemic containers here, so I have here some crackers along with 2 pieces of cheese here and then some blackberries. Then I also have these snack packs that I got at Costco. There's salami, there's cheese here, and that is what that looks like, so I can grab that as well. And then I also have these perfect bars. I also got these from Costco, dark chocolate chip peanut butter and then peanut butter. So then these are what I'm gonna be snacking on either throughout the day or in the morning to start off my day. Then for the meal preps themselves, I did have 3 meal options today. This is my go-to favorite casserole. It's so easy. You just put chicken breast or chicken thighs, whatever you want to do at the bottom of your dish. Then you top that, season with salt and pepper. I add a little bit of paprika. And then I also have a can of cream of mushroom or cream of chicken soup. You just layer that on top. Then you make a package bag of stovetop mix, or you can use whatever stuffing mix you want. You top that on top, you bake it in the oven until the chicken is cooked through. It doesn't look beautiful, but it does remind me of kind of like a Thanksgiving dinner, and it's so easy to make. It's very comforting. I do have a recipe and a video on this. I'll link that right here, but this is like one of my favorite meal preps. Then another prep I did is I did a pasta dish. So this is chicken Alfredo. So I have Alfredo sauce with some fettuccine noodles here on the bottom. Then I have added some asparagus and some peas in here as well. And then I topped it off with some grilled chicken. Then my last meal prep bowl is a rice bowl. You guys know how much I love rice bowls. So I have cilantro lime rice on the bottom. So essentially I just cooked some white rice. I added a little bit of salt to it. I added some cilantro and some limes, squeezed, like fresh squeezed lime in it, mixed it all together and made the rice with that. Then I added some black beans. This is pork carnitas. I actually got this already pre-marinated at Aldi this week. So I threw it in my slow cooker and then cooked it and shredded it and then added it to the rice bowl. And then I topped it off with some corn salsa that I got from Trader Joe's, my favorite corn salsa, that one. And then I'm going to be bringing also a cup of guac. These are just really easy grab go guac cups that I get from Costco. So I usually like to add that. I may or may not add some like tortilla chips to go with it too, but this is like one of my favorite things to do, just these rice bowls. So that is what I am bringing to work this week. Let me just show you guys again. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. I do try to share some meal prep ideas. Sometimes I just don't have the time to, and sometimes I actually just pack whatever it is that I pack for my son for school to bring to work, but I also have like lunch videos as well. So you guys can follow me also at Little Monster Eats on my socials. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a monster-ific week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.